want you guys to know that you guys can make, well, anything, like say what we're making today, cereal, all by yourself. So yeah, let's go make cereal. First, you'll get yourself some milk, or you can start with the cereal. And then you'll get yourself the cereal. Pour it in. Whoa. It's okay. And then if you need it to die down, you'll punch it. And now there's a simple, easy made bowl of cereal. Yeah, you guys can make this by yourself. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. We're trying to get to 100 subscriptions before we do a really, really, really funny video. So yeah. I'm gonna take a bite and see how it tastes.